Welcome to Regenamex, where we're pioneering the use of mesenchymal stem cell therapy for myasthenia gravis, a challenging autoimmune disorder affecting neuromuscular function. Myasthenia gravis, or MG, is characterized by muscle weakness and fatigue due to autoimmune attacks on neuromuscular junctions. Traditional treatments often rely on immunosuppressive drugs, which may have significant side effects and variable efficacy over time. Mesenchymal stem cells have remarkable immunomodulatory properties, crucial for regulating the immune system's overactive response in MG. By modulating immune function, MSC therapy aims to reduce the autoimmune attack on neuromuscular junctions, potentially alleviating muscle weakness and fatigue. The damage caused by MG can impair muscle function. MSCs offer a promising solution by releasing growth factors that stimulate muscle repair and regeneration. This regenerative process supports the restoration of muscle strength and function, empowering MG patients to regain mobility and independence. Beyond muscle repair, MSC therapy provides neuroprotective effects crucial for MG patients. By protecting nerve cells and promoting neural repair, MSCs create an optimal environment for nerve regeneration at the neuromuscular junction. This holistic approach aims to improve nerve-muscle communication and overall neuromuscular function in MG. At Regenamex, we prioritize personalized treatment plans tailored to each MG patient's unique needs. Our MSC therapy, sourced from Wharton's jelly, ensures precise targeting of therapeutic benefits, maximizing outcomes and patient comfort. Living with MG can impact daily activities and quality of life. MSC therapy offers a potential pathway to mitigate symptoms and improve overall well-being. By reducing immune system attacks and enhancing muscle strength, MSC therapy aims to empower MG patients to live fuller, more active lives. Mesenchymal stem cell therapy represents a groundbreaking approach to managing myasthenia gravis at Regenamex. Our commitment to advancing regenerative medicine ensures that MG patients receive innovative, effective care aimed at improving long-term outcomes and quality of life. Subscribe to our channel and join us in exploring the future of healthcare through stem cell therapy.